Hi, it's Rick Rose, Flip Mastery, Coach Rick Rose. Today we're going to talk a little bit about your profits. And it's very important that when we go through all this work, that as much as we can, we ensure that we're not only just going to make a profit, but a half decent profit. And remember, in my system, there are 4 numbers. So in order to do the profit, all of the numbers have to add up. What can we buy it for? Your renovation and material cost, your profit, and then the ARV, how much can we sell it for? So I guess the 2 main numbers are what can we sell it for and what can we buy it for. But the other number that you have to consider is how much is going to cost for labor and how much is it going to cost for materials. I'll give you my example. I figure on about $20,000. I know, doesn't sound like much. I figure $25,000, and then I round that up to $25,000 because you sometimes never know what you're going to find once you open up a wall or start on the renovations or anything. So, what can you buy it for? The $25,000 for your renovation costs and labor. I always put in $100,000. Now that remains flexible depending on the ARV. So that's how I work out profitability. And as far as I'm concerned, you should make on every flip, and you need to be careful on the property you're buying, every flip, you should make between $60,000 and $100,000. That's not hard to do. That's it for today. Thank you so much. We'll talk soon.